dear honorable guest, Dr. Josefina Mapena, our National President, PAFP National President, Dr. President, our Regional Director, dear fellow doctors, our guests, good evening. It is with immense gratitude and a deep sense of responsibility that I stand before you tonight as your newly elected President of the PAFP Tarlac Chapter. I am profoundly honored by the trust you have placed in me to lead this chapter. And I am excited about the journey that we are about to embark together. As I assume this role, I am reminded of the core values that bind us together, to mention our integrity, compassion, nationalism, a holistic approach, commitment to lifelong learning, resourcefulness, competence, sensitivity to the health needs of the people, and gender sensitivity. These values are the bedrock of our chapter, guiding our actions and shaping our future. They remind us that our strength lies in our unity and our collective passion to be the physician of choice of every Filipino family. In the coming months, we will focus on several key initiatives. I have a Balik PAFP program. Our dear treasurer and I have planned to visit our archive members and motivate them to activate their membership once again. Another is to give incentives to members who constantly contribute to the community outreach and other PAFP activities. Third is educate new members and refreshen our beloved members with continuing medical education through webinars or face-to-face platform. Another important goal, perhaps related to the PAFP advocacy, is environmental protection projects. Together, let us work in bringing hope to the future generations through sustainable environmental projects or activities that will not only benefit Mother Earth, but also our children's children. These initiatives are not merely tasks to be completed. They are aspirations that will propel our chapter forward, creating a lasting impact on our members and the broader community. However, I cannot achieve these goals alone. It is with your support, each and every one of you, and your active participation that we will succeed. I encourage each and every one of you to please get involved. Share your perspectives and contribute your unique talents. God has given us these talents to share with our fellow men. Together, we can make a difference. I also want to emphasize the importance of open communication and collaboration. My door will always be open to you, my dear PAFP Tarlac Chapter. Your feedback, concerns, and suggestions are invaluable to me, and I am committed to fostering an environment where everyone feels heard and valued. As we move forward, let us remember that every challenge we face is an opportunity for growth, and every success is a testament of our collective efforts. Let us embrace change with optimism, work together with determination, and strive for excellence in all that we do. I would like to extend my heartfelt thanks to my predecessor, Dr. Ryan Bonifacio, for his exemplary leadership and unwavering commitment to our beloved chapter. His vision and dedication had laid a solid foundation upon which we will continue to build. Let us give him a round of applause. First, a standing service. In closing, I am grateful for the opportunity to serve you as your president. Nakakailang nga lang kasi nakaka-pressure. I am confident, however, that together we will achieve great things. Let us embark on this journey with enthusiasm, dedication, and a shared vision for a brighter PAFP Tarlac chapter. Thank you. Let's get to work for the love of PAFP. Amen. May I give this token of appreciation to our immediate past president, Dr. Ryan Bonifacio. So, I just want to let him feel that we appreciate him so much for all the efforts that he has committed for the good of PAFP. Thank